Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to edit playlist on your YouTube channel. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To edit playlist on your YouTube channel, go to your YouTube channel and then click on your profile picture on upper right corner. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click on content on left pane. Now you will find some tabs and here you will find playlist. Click on playlist. I'm going to edit my first playlist, Mac OS. If you move mouse pointer on your playlist, you will find four icons here: details, views, analytics, watch on YouTube, and a three dot icon option. Click on three dot icon option. Now click on edit on YouTube. Click on edit on YouTube. Another tab will be opened and this is your playlist. If you want to change the playlist name, just click here to edit playlist title. I'm going to change the name to macOS MacBook tutorial. Now click on edit playlist title and now I am going to paste MacBook tutorial and now click on save. Look, the playlist name has been changed. Then if you want to add description, click on edit icon on description and I'm going to add this description. Just copy the description and paste the description here. You may know YouTube playlist description is work as searching keyword. It will increase view of your video. Now scroll down and then click on save. I have changed my YouTube playlist description and changed playlist title name, and if you want you can change visibility. Now visibility is public. You can select unlisted or you can select private. I'm going to select public because I want everyone can watch my tutorial. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.